White fan gifts dreadlocks to Zillakami. Zillakami, GOAT in the dreadlock scene for a long time now. Shoutouts Andrew Callaghan of Channel 5 News, also from All Gas No Breaks. Been watching his content a lot lately, and he does have some very well done interviews and even better editing on his content. Highly recommend checking out Channel 5 News for a good laugh if you haven't seen it yet. This video is about these two white guys at a rap concert in Utah, I believe. They basically talked to Andrew Callaghan here, saying that he wants to gift his dreadlocks to Zillakami. But let's go ahead and watch this interview from the start and see what's really going on here.
What do your dreadlocks symbolize? That me and my homie took the time to fucking actually do it and grow them this long.
Oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, I respect Andrew here for always asking this question to dreadheads when he sees them on the streets. He always asks them, what do your dreadlocks symbolize? And it's a great way to interview dreadheads. But for these answers to be that my homie and I actually took the time to grow them, he's lying. He is lying about that. And I can tell because these locks are not theirs. I feel like they've actually had extensions put in for a few reasons. One, their hair looks exactly the same. They're exactly identical, the same length, the same wispiness, the same crinkly effect. There's no way that they both grew their locks out and that happened to look the exact same way. Another note is that I can see the extensions where they're being put in on a closer look. Let's continue to investigate here.
Why do you feel like people hate on it? I don't know why people hate so hard on
appropriation or some shit like that.
Cultural appropriation. This shot right here shows us that he doesn't actually have real locks. Look, boom. This is a braid into his extension right here. Boom. Another braid twist into an extension. It's clearly being added to his head. These are not his real locks. And they're fronting. They're fronting on the culture. And in my eyes, this is appropriation because not about anything to do with their race, just the fact that they're claiming that they've grown this hair naturally and they've taken the patience to do it, when in fact they haven't, and it's all extension and it's all front. So I feel like they're appropriating the culture of dreadlocks by doing this here.
I don't know why people hate so hard.
And you can see on this dude's here as well, this dude's locks as well, the exact same manipulation. You can clearly see that these dreadlocks have been added in as extensions, and they're hardcore fronting like it's their real shit. It's kind of bizarre for me to see this. It kind of nerve-wracks me a little bit because of the one thing that I've always thought about people with extended dreadlocks is that they please do not pass them off as real locks, like they've actually taken the time to grow them for years on end. You know, if they're fake, tell people they're fake. Tell people what you've done, the procedure of adding extensions in, and don't try and pass it off as some real shit.
Or some shit like that.
What's your goal for the night?
For the night? To see Zilla.
Yes.
A guy who actually has true to form locks that he's actually taken the patience to grow himself over years on end.
What would you say if Zilla was standing right here?
Bro, I'd give him a piece of my hair.
Is it weird that he wants to give him a piece of his locks? And I feel like for somebody that has actually grown their locks out with the true patience, wouldn't want to just chop a piece off for a random celebrity, a random rapper. But if they were just put in as extensions, I can see how they'd be okay with separating themselves like that from their hair.
For real. I'm gonna try to figure it out for you.
Zilla's locks, definitely legendary. Holy shit. He got them trimmed down, and he still has some that are pretty lengthy, but you can see the colors and the Congos. The bleach, a grimy set of locks, I must say. here again we can see these dudes' hair. They've been parted down. Definitely looks like there's been some manipulation happening on their locks. I do like the way that he's wrapped them here. That's a pretty cool look. Yo, look at his locks. You can actually see that some of them look like they've been wicked together. This one anyways, looks like it's been wicked together. A lot of them look like they've been trimmed to be shorter. They've all been dyed and bleached.
His fan, he wants to cut his largest dread off and give it to you.
He's like, what the fuck did I just get myself into?
That sounds fucking nasty, but I'll allow him.
I'll allow him, but it's nasty. He's like, that sounds fucking nasty. Why would you think that dreadlocks are nasty, Killazilla? What do you mean by that?
I'll let him do it. Okay.
Should we do it right now?
Yeah, let's do it. Fuck it. Bro, I'm so excited. This is the only reason why I'm here right now. I love Zilla. That's my shit.
What's going through your mind right now? You're backstage, you're about to meet your idol and give him one of your dreadlocks.
You guys,
He's about to give him one of his dreadlocks. He's so stoked on it.
just unreal. I feel like this is just fake.
It's real.
It's real.
Yeah.
This is much realer than what your locks actually are.
No fucking way. No fucking way, man. What's up, dude?
He's so awkward.
I'm about to cut off a dread for you.
Oh shit. He's like, that's nasty. Wait, you don't have to cut off a dread for me. What is Zilla really gonna do with it? You think he's gonna cherish it? He's like, this is my fan's dread. He's gonna throw it out after. No word of a lie.
Is it worth it? I think so, is it not? It's up to you, man. Fuck, I can't get it, man.
This is why Channel 5's content is so priceless. These scissors are not meant for cutting hair, first of all. And he needs a little bit of tension between the scissors and the dreadlock to make this cut clean. Zilla's just laughing inside like, what the hell?
There it goes.
Oh man. Can you believe that? What does Zilla have to say about that lock chopped for him?
I don't know what to do with this.
It actually smells pretty good.
It's
They're smelling it? Like, this is so amazing.
literally smells like shampoo.
Like shampoo. Literally smells like shampoo. I still think it's been added as an added extension. Kind of hard to tell.
You can do a freestyle right now? Fuck no, I can't do a freestyle. $10 in your Cash App right now? It wasn't worth it.
What do you mean? He just gave you his dread. This seems like it was pretty worth it for him.
He didn't even get to see his favorite artist, the baby.